Now let's learn a very important real-world editing technique, face blur with mask tracking. This technique is commonly used for privacy protection, interviews, documentaries, YouTube videos, sensitive content. Now we want to blur the face of this lady, but as you can see, the subject is moving. So we need a mask that moves along with her face. To do this, we have two main options. Ellipse mask to quick and easy selection. Pen tool mask to precise, custom shape. If you just need a fast result, the ellipse mask works perfectly. And now choose ellipse mask and create the shape. You can also use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out inside the program monitor. And just like that, we've created the shape. As you can see, it's very easy to create. And let me tell you about pen tool mask. First, let's undo the previous action. Select the pen tool. Now click, click, click to create a custom mask shape. You can drag anchor points to adjust the shape. To add a new anchor point, simply hover over the mask line. When you see the plus icon, click to add the anchor point. To delete a point, hold Ctrl and click the anchor point. Now, delete the mask and let me tell you how to create a curve path mask. If we click and drag, we create curved handles for smooth roundness. And we can add or delete anchor points. We can make a curve adjustment by this handle. If you want to adjust only one side of the curve, hold Alt or Option, then drag the anchor point. This allows you to adjust the curve on only one side instead of both sides. Using this technique, you can create a more precise, curved, and rounded mask shape. Now, delete the shape. Now, select the Ellipse Mask tool. Position the mask over the face. Resize it to fit properly. Now comes the important part, tracking. In the Effect Controls panel, click the Track Mask button. Premiere will automatically analyze the clip and make the mask follow the movement. In Track, both directions, forward and backward. As you can see, the mask now follows the face smoothly. Now let's add the blur effect. Go to Effect and then Gaussian blur. Drag Gaussian blur onto the clip. Now let's adjust the blur amount for better result. Also increase the mask feather for softer edges. Soft edges always look more natural. And just like that, we've blurred the moving face automatically. Now let's move to manual tracking. And we start from the beginning, meaning a fresh unmasked clip, which gives us much more control over the mask movement. This technique is especially useful when automatic tracking doesn't work perfectly. This time, let's use the pen tool. Select the clip, choose the pen tool mask, and carefully draw a shape around the subject's face. Take your time here. Precision is important for clean results. And here you can see that the mask is not moving with the lady's face. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Mask Settings, locate Mask Path. Click the stopwatch to enable animation. This activates keyframing. Move the playhead slightly forward. Now adjust the mask position to match the subject's movement. Premiere automatically creates a new keyframe. Continue moving forward through the clip. Move the playhead. Reposition the mask. Repeat this process until the entire movement is tracked. We've now completed manual mask tracking. This method provides maximum accuracy, especially for complex motion. Now let's apply a different blur style. Go to Effects and search Mosaic. Drag the mosaic effect onto the clip. Adjust the block settings to control how pixelated the face appears. To make the effect look natural, increase the mask feather. Soft edges help blend the effect smoothly into the footage. So that's how mask tracking works in Adobe Premiere Pro. We explored two important techniques: automatic mask tracking, manual mask tracking. Automatic tracking is the fastest method. Premiere analyzes the clip and moves the mask for you, which works great for simple, predictable motion. It saves time and speeds up your workflow. However, automatic tracking may not always be perfect, especially when dealing with complex movement, lighting changes, or overlapping objects. That's where manual tracking becomes essential. Manual tracking gives you complete control over the mask by adjusting it frame by frame using keyframes. It requires more effort but delivers maximum precision and professional accuracy.